Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this session let us discuss about some idioms related to some symptoms and medical conditions which you can make use of in your role play or maybe in your writing section. So first one is in a bad shape. In a bad shape is used to describe a person or a patient who is emotionally and physically in a very poor condition. Second one is off color. Off color is used to describe a patient who appears to be very pale or not much robust in their appearance. Third one is blackout. This is a condition where the patient or the person completely loses his or her consciousness. Next one is bag of bones. It might be much similar to you. Bag of bones is used to describe a person who appears to be very skinny in his or her appearance, who must not appear to be much more physically energetic or physically robust in his or her appearance. Next one is, or the next idiom is blind as a bat. Blind as a bat is used to describe a patient or a person whose vision is extremely poor. And the last one, or the last phrase is white as a sheet. White as a sheet is used to describe a person who appears to be very pale or very unhealthy due to many conditions or many reasons, maybe like suffering from or experiencing from a shock, fright, or due to emotional or physical underwell-being. So these are some of the phrases or these are some of the idioms which you can make use of when you encounter or when you experience your role play or maybe in your writing subtest, depending upon the case note which is provided, which will easily help you in order to fetch extra marks. And I hope this was useful and informative. Thank you.